Hey guys, today I'm visiting Europa in Phnom Penh. Come along with me and let's see what this place has to offer. So you guys can simply put a PH Europa in Google Maps. So let's go. This is the way to Europa. On both sides of the road, you can see many places selling Chinese food here. By the way, the park is located inside a luxury residential area. There are so many big trees here, which make the whole place feel cool and peaceful. And here we are finally arrived at Europa. Alright, I bought my motorbike first, then we start exploring. At the entrance, we are welcomed by a beautiful ancient Greek style statue. We can see a lake here, and also the right side we can see the Sydney Opera House. Wow! Yes, inside is the bar. The big and fancy building there is a convention hall and hall for wedding. If you're hungry, there is some restaurant also here. Most people here are just walking around and doing the light exercise. Many families come here with their children to play and enjoy the park. There also a mini Eiffel Tower here, and you can even climb up if you want. With all this light around, the place feels really bright and lively. That is for today walk around Europa. Thank you for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next video.